Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. The month of October is about Halloween, our Canadian Thanksgiving, colorful leaves, and also pumpkin. Besides carving it, there are many great recipes using this winter squash, like pumpkin and spice cream cheese muffins, a delicious pumpkin pie, a nice spicy pumpkin sauce for your proteins, or this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pumpkin chili. This unconventional recipe is so fabulous. The combination of ingredients makes this dish a tasty one to enjoy this season. It sure is an amazing comfort food to try. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add ground beef and hot Italian sausage, which you can get my homemade recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. At this stage, you don't have to, but I like to crack in some black pepper. We'll cook the meat until almost browned, about 4 minutes, breaking it into small pieces, and that's the kitchen tool I love to use. It does the job fast. When it's done, we'll transfer the meat to a bowl using a slaughter spoon. Back to the Dutch oven. As you can see, there's a lot of liquid and fat left in it, and as we all know, this is serious flavor. But what we'll do is to let it simmer until we get about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup remaining in the pot, similar to this. Then we'll add onions and saute them for about 3 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers, orange peppers, and poblano peppers. We'll saute the ingredients for 2 minutes before adding pressed garlic. This time, we'll quickly saute for only 1 minute. Next, we'll add kidney beans followed by lag beans. We'll stir well, and you'll see that there's barely any liquid left at the bottom. It's mostly absorbed by the ingredients. We'll now return the meat along with any accumulated juices and stir to combine. I'm telling you, this is a big batch. Here comes the seasoning. Chili powder, ground cumin, love that spice. Worcestershire sauce, some smoked paprika, brown sugar, then dried oregano leaves, and hot sauce, such as Frank's. We'll give a good stir and continue adding more ingredients, like the star of our dish, pumpkin puree. I use a 29-ounce can minus 1/4 cup because I keep some for my pumpkin coffee creamer. I love it. We'll also add a can of fired roasted tomatoes, a can of Rotel, and a small can of green chilies. We'll stir again. And did I mention this recipe makes a ton? Boy, that's a lot of great ingredients. But we're not done because we'll pour in some beef broth to the pot. We'll mix it in, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let it simmer gently for 1 hour, stirring often. Like I always say, taste and adjust if necessary. And my friends, this is our pumpkin chili. Comforting and non-traditional, this recipe is incredibly flavorful. It is served just like a regular chili, with sour cream, shredded cheese, cilantro, green onions, and tortilla chips or bread. It is a great one-pot meal that you'll love to make often. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!